Here's how you can prepare yourself to pass CAF 3 paper for free in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Click the link below and register yourself in the 𝗙𝗏𝗃 Academy student portal by putting in your details and then verify your account. Step 2. Search for the course CAF 3 and hit enter. Step 3. Locate for the course. Click on view details. Step 4. Enter the coupon code. Now click on the buy now button. As you can see, the amount is set to 0. Now click on the enroll now button and the course will start appearing on your dashboard. Now it is the time to begin your preparation and prepare yourself in these study days to pass your CAF exam in this September 2023 attempt. Enroll now.